Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup for weight loss. We will focus on creating a flavorful, satisfying meal that supports your health goals. This recipe emphasizes fresh, wholesome ingredients to keep calorie counts low while maximizing nutrient density. You'll learn simple steps to prepare a delicious soup that helps you feel full and energized. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a comforting dish without compromising your weight management efforts. For a truly healthy soup, select about 2 pounds of ripe, fresh tomatoes such as Roma or beefsteak varieties. These provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. Incorporate 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 celery stalks for a flavorful base. Use 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth to keep the sodium content in check. Fresh basil, oregano, and a pinch of black pepper will enhance the taste beautifully. Begin by sautéing your chopped onion, garlic, and celery in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until softened, about 5 minutes. Next, add your 2 pounds of diced tomatoes and 4 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth to the pot. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 20 minutes, allowing flavors to meld. Finally, carefully blend the soup until smooth using an immersion blender or a regular blender. Your delicious, weight-loss-friendly tomato soup is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm as a satisfying lunch or a light dinner. For added flavor and protein, consider topping it with a tablespoon of fresh basil or a small dollop of plain Greek yogurt. You can also pair it with a small, leafy green salad for a more complete meal. This soup is perfect for meal prepping and can be stored for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.